Hey guys, alright, I'd like to start by saying this isn't my fault. I got some cash from my mom for Christmas. Thank you, Mom. Love you very much. And then I got a buddy to pay me back some money he owed me, so I went to Action Hobby here in town and I walked around for a bit. And this is a couple weeks ago. I just picked this up today now, and what this is well, the camera's sitting on it, isn't that the tease, eh? You're sitting on what you don't know it's yet. Um, but yeah, so I got this because of that. It's been on the list for a long time. Let's spin you around and bam! Yeah! Finally got myself a Blizzard. It's been on the list for a long time. It's 2.4 gig now, and it's a little bit. I know I kind of did an unboxing on one of these before with Aaron, Rookie 101 when he got one. It's a little different now because it's a slightly newer model, so there might be a couple changes. I barely remember about the electronics of his. He knew more about it, and he took it all out right away and put in the saber tooth. But yeah, there she is. A little bit of work to do. Well, not really. It's got a Dean's on it already. Apparently, it can take 2-cell. It doesn't say that, but I know people have got this model already, and they're like, "Yep, plug in a 2-cell LiPo, good to go." Got in the head cam mode. Hopefully, this will work out okay. Oh, it's not even sealed. That makes me nervous. A little bit, kinda, not really. Styrofoam. 4 bats, that's nice. I hope it comes with a cover for that there remote. Ooh, all kinds of stuff. None of that. Cardboard. Ooh. So there. Maybe. Oh yeah, the battery and charger will be in here. And possibly there goes the new doorstop. 1800 mAh. I got a collection of these somewhere. Not that particular one, but oh yes, the plow, of course. A little bit of bubble wrap. Oh, battery is probably in that. Good throw. That's probably the charger. Almost guarantee it. Yep. Yep. Do. La book. Binder. Nothing in there. Just a spacer. Jeez, that's big. It's fat and oh, there's the cover for the remote. I'm happy I found that. Alright, nothing else in there. Look at the size of that thing. It's freaking huge. So it doesn't come with the plow mounted. That's interesting. Everyone says take it off, but I kind of want it for the plow, you know? That is really light, super light, like sawback light. I need a screw to get that off. I guess we don't need to get into there right away anyways. So there's all kinds of upgrades I guess you can do for this thing. Tracks, you can get metal ones. The plow, I imagine there's an upgradable plow of some kind. You can upgrade the servos, of course, and the big one is getting rid of the dual little crappy ESCs apparently and going to a saber tooth, I believe it's called. I might have to double check. That's nice and lightweight as well. Well, Penguin's got his all done up already, I think, or destroyed. Not destroyed, but taken apart. So those will obviously go there, I think. Oh no, those will go there. Maybe. I gotta look at it. Or wait, I bet you that's like that. That's gonna snap on there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And then that thing, that part goes in there maybe? Alright, I gotta do some tinkering here. I'll be right back. Alright. Found me a screwdriver. Didn't see any hardware. Oh yes, the battery just goes under there. Weird. That's awfully close to the ear, but I guess it's not going to go in. Whoosh. So here, check the meshes. That motor doesn't seem very tight. Yeah, that one's good though. Meshes are good. Don't know what's going on here. I could crack the book open, probably, maybe not. That's gonna have to be up here somewhere. Okay. Oh wow. So that just all just pops in and out. I don't need a tool. Or screws and bolts, or you never know. Bueller. Okay, battery's in that unit. And it's got an on and off switch, which will probably stay in, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I haven't read any instructions yet. Both of those work. Plug goes up, plug goes down. Plug goes up, plug goes down. I want it needs lights. It's getting lights. Alright. This may be all I do for now. I got her stickered up. I got it lit up. Didn't do the greatest job with the wires, but I was in a hurry. I was excited. She's super bright. Should light up the night really well. It looks good. I'm going to wait for the test run for another time. It'll be on another video. I'm going to get out with some buddies who have other ones, and then we can talk about stuff that I'm going to be learning as we go, and see what remotes are available to do the upgrade with the Sabertooth, or if I can get away with this stuff with a different remote or something. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far I like it. I haven't driven it yet, of course. I just drove it on the bench a bit. I'll save the test run for later. Alright, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.